this is Stephanie. Welcome to the
Steffanies Journey.
For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I was sent a package and I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the product. This is not a sponsored video. They just were nice enough to send this to me in the mail. And this is the Radiance Spin Care System. And it's by DUVOLLE. I think that may be how you pronounce it. I'll put everything in the screen, on the screen below, as well as in the description box, so you guys can check it out. This is what the product looks like in the box. So you get 4 interchangeable accessories, a facial exfoliating brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. So that is everything you get in the box today. And they also were nice enough to give me a discount promo code for you guys. So if you want to check it out, you can do that as well. And I'll list that below. The code is Emotion, and it's for 70% off of the product. So let's open it up and see what we get out in the box. It gives you a little package with information, I guess, on how to use each of the different items, as well as it takes 4 AA batteries, and I hope it comes with some, because I don't know if I have any AA. I know I got AAA, but I don't know if I have any AA. And these are the brushes, and as you can see, you get one really large brush, it's the size of your hand, and then you get 2 smaller brushes, and one is for cleansing and one is for exfoliating, and I don't know which is which. They're different in color, like one is white and one is off-white, so I don't know which one is actually which, because you would think the exfoliating one would be a little bit stiffer or denser, but they both feel the same actually to me. And then you get the little pumice. I don't know, people say it different ways. I say pumice, but it's probably pumice because I say everything wrong. But you get one of these with it as well. So this is the body brush. I would actually use this like in the shower, because I have dry skin, and I would use it like before you get in the shower to exfoliate your skin, because I think this small one, whichever one of these little small one, is the exfoliating brush. You know, I don't know. Let's see if it tells you which is which, because I surely can't tell from just looking at them. And let's see if it has batteries in it already. And to open it, it says, it has a little open thing, and it says just to push it forward. So let's see how easy it is to open. I can't get it open. Oh, so you just pull it. And it takes 4 batteries. So let me go see if I can find 4 batteries for this to put in it, because it did not come with any batteries. Okay, I did find some batteries. I had to steal them out of my TV remote. Let's see if it comes on. Yep, it comes on. Okay, so now we're cooking with grease. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's see. It says this is water resistant, which means you can't use it in the shower. I mean, not under the water. It's because it's not, you know, waterproof. It's just water resistant, meaning you can get water on it, but you can't submerge it in water. So first note. So I got the batteries in. The body one, let's put it on and see how it feels on the skin, since I'm doing a review. Oh, it's soft. It's not too bad. So this one is for the body. I guess I need to hold my arm up. I got my camera up kind of high because I changed my office, but it's not too bad as far as the body. It's kind of not for your neck. So I would say this big one, use it like on your arms and legs to exfoliate or clean. And let me see if I can figure out, and it's, you just pull it off. They just push on and pull off the little heads. So that's easy. Pumice stone, I would say you can use this for your calluses. I have one on my hand, so let's see. Oh, it's fairly soft. I did a good job. And I have one on my foot. I have them on my hands because I had a death grip on my steering wheel when I drive, because I'm a very aggressive driver, and in the traffic in Atlanta makes you have road rage. Oh, that did a good job on the calluses. I like this Puma's one. I'm going to use this on my feet. I do my own pedicures. I think I'm going to do a video on that. Oh yeah, that's a good job. It smooths it out really good. I mean, they're still there because they're below the skin, but as far as how they feel, it does a very good job of that. So, check for the Puma's Rock. Oh, I see here, look. They have the different colors here. So, the cleansing brush is the off-white one, and the exfoliating brush is the freaking white one. Good to know. You can hold them up here and you can see the variations. See how this one here is more off-white and this one is more white as far as color. So now we know. So we're going to put the cleansing brush on here, and I got a little water over here, and I'm going to stick it in here and get it wet. And I also have my liquid facial soap. I use Clinique. So anyway, let's get to trying out. Oh, it's soft. Need a little more water though. Very soft on your skin. Not hard at all. I do have somewhat sensitive skin, but not super sensitive. I break out from stuff, and I do have a little bit of breakout on my face because I've been eating fried foods and grease, and I shouldn't have. But yeah, this is doing really well as far as cleansing. And let's put some more soap on here and a little bit more water. It's not really loud. It's no louder than a electronic toothbrush. It's about the same, you know, as that. Got a little buzz, and I guess you guys can hear it. And hold it closer. So that is it. Got a little dirt off of it because it's a little darker than what it was. Now I'm going to take it off and put it in my water to rinse it off. See how well it cleans up, to get the soap out of it. And then we'll dry my face, and then we'll try the exfoliating brush. And it cleaned up pretty well. And I would say periodically, if you're going to use these, to make sure that you pour some kind of germ and antibacteria, antiseptic or something on it to make sure it doesn't get bacteria build up. So I have a dry cloth here, and I'm going to dip it in my water, and I'm only going to wet half of it so I can dry my face and then exfoliate, because it says when you exfoliate that it needs to be on a dry, clean face. So, and especially for us women that's getting older, we need to exfoliate our skin and take off the dead layers. See, and it brought a lot of the dirt up, so you can see on the claw. It did bring the dirt up to surface, so that is a good thing. So my face is sturdy. Okay, now we're going to dry it, and we're going to try the exfoliating brush. Okay, so for the exfoliating brush, it says apply brush with your favorite cleanser. Gently move the brush across the face while moving the unit in a circular motion. Apply the brush to the face flat, not at an angle. And it says, I think I read this before, but it says, brush is made from very soft bristles, specially designed for tender facial skin. For best results, be sure to wash your face prior to the treatment and ensure that the skin is free of any residue, which we did that in the last segment. So now my face is dry. I don't know why you put cleanser on with the exfoliating. It didn't say to wet the brush. So I'm just going to, I think you should wet the brush, but it doesn't say to wet the brush. So I'm just going to put some of my cleanser on the ends of this brush and turn it on, and we'll see how it exfoliates. It's not as soft as the cleansing brush, which exfoliating shouldn't be, but it's a little bit rough, but not bad. I mean, it doesn't really hurt. We'll see if it turns me red. because I am a little sensitive to things. I think the cleansing brush will actually exfoliate your skin myself. And if you have really sensitive skin, as far as to touch and things, you know, pressure and stuff, this may be a little bit too rough for you. It's not bad, but it's not the best either. This is what it looks like afterwards. It didn't get too much dirt on it, but I can feel it in my skin. Like it's like tingling, burning kind of. Not burning, but tingling. So I'm going to put some more water on here and wipe it off. I didn't turn red. My nose is a little red. My nose is always red. And I don't have any makeup on. Just some lashes. And yeah, let me dry it. After that, I didn't get a lot of any dirt residue left. So it does clean it. And my face is smooth and soft. It's not dry. I like how it feels from using the cleansing brush and the exfoliating brush. It does feel really good. I haven't put any type of moisturizer on my face, and it still looks good. It doesn't look really dry because I do have dry skin, so it doesn't look too bad. I would recommend this brush. Again, I will leave the link below to where you can purchase this. Again, they're offering 70% off on a product with the promo code of emotion. So click the link below if you're interested and check that out and use the promo code. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.